Ayo, and as a student of OECD Academy. And welcome to the Agri Practical class. Let's take a look at all the surveying equipment and their uses, and also all the specimens we have in the lab today. Let's start here. This is the ranging pole. This is for marking lines on the farmland. This is surveying equipment. This is an arrow. It's about 30 centimeters long, and also have one of its end curved into a ring. It's also a surveying equipment, and it is for chaining, for marking chain lines and lengths. This is a measuring tape. It has one end calibrated with an imperial unit and other in an imperial unit. It is used for marking lines on lengths on the straight line, and it is for calibrating length, breadth, and height. This is a wooden peg. It comes in different shapes and sizes. It is also an surveying equipment, which also helps in marking areas or size of a farmland. We have our specimen E and F here. It is an experiment used to determine the capillary actions of different soil samples. Here we have our sandy soil, and here we have our clay soil. So we also have our tripod stands, our beakers, water filled in it up to a certain level, and our capillary tubes implanted in one or two of it. We also have our samples in each of the capillary soil. So first, when we started the experiment, this water sample in the soil reached up faster at the sand soil, and when we got to the loamy soil, or should I say the loamy soil and also the clay soil, they first started at a slower rate until they continue to go slowly until they reach a certain point. Around this corner, we have different samples of insects and other specimens also implanted here. We have our main weevil and our baby beetle. The both of them destroy seeds in the soil or farm produce in the soil, and their feeding mode of nutrition is through their burrowing mode. Here we have our grasshopper. It has the getting and sucking mode of feeding. It's destroying produce or seeds in the farmland. Our cotton stainer, it destroys mostly seeds of the cotton bulbs, and they make it unattractive and unmarketable for farmers, which also leads to low yield of produce, and it reduces their income. Here we have our tilapia fish. As we all know, all kinds of fish live in the aquatic habitat, but this one mainly lives in the freshwater habitat, we can make it into different kinds of things. We have materials gotten from this. We have our fish bone, our fish oil, our fish scale, and also we can also make a fish meal from this tilapia fish. We have our A. A is majorly used for feeding of livestock, but we also use it for different things. We use it for mulching, we use it for making roofs and many other things. And it is also cheap for farmers to get. And this kind of have our fish meal. Earlier ago, I mentioned that tilapia fish can be made into a fish meal. So we have procedures or processes that we can make our fish into a fish meal. We have the dry method. We first cook it, then we dry it. We make the liquid into the water and the oil before we grind it and cook it. Then we get our fish meal. So I hope we were able to learn one or two things from this short video. And I want to say thanks for watching and stay tuned.